Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new question that is write a Java program to check string is a palindrome or not. So, if you know these programs is very well because that program is asked in the interviews. So most of the time, it will ask that check the palindrome in a string. Okay. So you have to, what is the palindrome first? You have to understand. Palindrome is a word which is read from the right as a same and the from left as a same. Like here, madam. As you can see here, you can spell from the left to right is same madam and right to left is same madam. So that means the palindrome, which word is naming or pronouncing same from the opposite directions and the right directions. So left to implementing this, we don't have to use a inbuilt method. We just use like first of all here take like a string input is equal to madam madam and our question is write the Java program to check a string is palindrome or not. So we just have to check this is it a palindrome or not. So to check this is it a palindrome or not, let's implement this method. To implementing the method, our method is a static type of method. So that method should create in the class level block. So this is the class level block. This is the class level block. So we just have to create here a public static void main, not void, sorry. So our method is a uh, static type. Okay, so static, and it should return a boolean type of data. So the data type is a boolean type, and the method name is a check palindrome. Palindrome. Okay, this is the our method, and it should accept the argument. So argument what we have string str, which is also called a parameter. Okay, so let's implement this method. Implementing this method, so what we have to do here, we need two things here. First, like int left is equal to 0, while left 0, while left we are taking. Let me explain you. First, write it. Int right rigst right is equal to str dot length. Sorry, length minus 1. So this length is a string length. That means length of this input or in this input what we have madam have some length over here. So this is the length which is getting from the right side, and the left side the length is 0. What is the logic part is, let me explain you. First we have to write it. So let's write this while left while left is less than of right, then. So this is the condition. That means, see, as you can see here, the left what we have a 0, and right what we have a length of a string. The length of a string is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a length of the string. And now the our logic part is like if str dot char it left, why we use this? Let me first write, and not equal to str dot caret right. Okay, this is the our conditions, and return false over here. Return false. So what is this line is doing here? If the str dot char at left not equal to str dot char at of right, that means they have to check that each character is equal to opposite side or not. That means the right from this here M, then A, from D, then A, then M. Left is 0. So it will be starting from the 0. So it should be check the both of the characters at the same time. How to check it? So that's logic part here. Left plus plus because it is a 0, so it will going to until the our length of the string, and the right minus minus because the length of the right is a 5, so it will be going to decrease the length 1 in a time. So it will be checked from the like see, this is the right side of M, sorry here not here, right minus minus, let me here comment here, like see, the M is a left side of M, okay, and it will be right is from the last of the M, this is the this M, so M is equal to M, that means it is true. So it will be going to check the another one, then another one, then another one until the our condition becomes false. And then after this, we just have to return it back. Return true, true. Okay. After this, come here inside of main method, and this method like boolean is palindrome. Palindrome is equal to our method is a check palindrome. So check palindrome over here. So it will be going to check that if it's not, that means it will be going to return this is not a palindrome. So for that reasons here we need a if this palindrome, what you have to do this out input plus is a palindrome. If it's not, then else sys out input here, and then plus operator to concatenate is not a palindrome. So our program is done over here. Now we have to check that is it working fine or not. So let me run it. See, madam is a palindrome. As you can see here, why is a palindrome? Because the both side its pronunciation is same. So let's take another one, like instead of madam, we just take a let's take madam, run. Okay, run. Okay, now run it. See, run is not a palindrome because it will be not pronunciation same as the from side both side. From ru and run is right. Then nur is not. That means it will be not. It is not a palindrome. So I hope you will understand this how it work, Adam. So that's all about these videos. Thank you for watching. Coding pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.